Hello people of YouTube, I'm back doing my Loot Crate unboxing. This is for the November 2015 Combat Crate. It should be really exciting. I heard there's some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles something, Fallout 4, Firefly, not Firefly, Hunger Games, and some Blizzard Entertainment items. So it should be interesting to see what we got. I did cut the tape already for it. So let's see. Okay. So right off I see these sunglasses. And these are Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Shredder shades. Kind of entertaining, but completely impractical. Oh, okay. Next I see this cute but deadly mystery crate, or mystery figure. It's a blind box. I'll have to open that in a minute and see what it is. Let's see, what's this? This is the Gift of Geek from Loot Crate. So this is so you can re-gift items from your Loot Crate to other people. It's an interesting idea. Not sure how I feel about it. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's the Hunger Games Mockingjay pen. And it is a pen. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's different. I have one already of the actual Mockingjay pen from the movie, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the Fallout 4 Vault Boy Loot Crate exclusive bobblehead. Okay. Let's see here. Cute but deadly magnets. That's cute. I've actually never heard of the cute but deadly. But I see the StarCraft symbol, the World of Warcraft symbol, oh, and the Diablo symbol right there. Oh, and that's Diablo from the Diablo games. I love Diablo games. Oh, and there's Cheerio. Okay. So these are really cute. I really like the cute but deadly items, which I'd never heard of before, but that's pretty cool. Okay, and then we've got the Loot Crate. See if I can get it to November Combat button. It's kind of cool. I love the buttons. I turn mine into magnets. This is the Loot Crate magazine. You get one every month. It kind of goes over what you got. They usually have interviews and stuff in it. Okay. And then this is Street Fighter comic book. It's not too bad. And the inside of this month's box is different. Okay, well, I'm not sure how I feel about some of these things. I don't play Fallout. I don't know about re-gifting stuff. I don't like Street Fighter. And I think the sunglasses are a little impractical. But the cute but deadly magnets are really cool. And the Hunger Games pen is awesome. And the cute but deadly figure. So I'm going to open it and see what we got. There are possible ones. One is the Loot Crate exclusive one, I guess. So bear with me for a second while I open this. To see what we got. Sometimes I feel like the packaging is smarter than I am. Oh, and it's broken. That is so sad. I'm guessing that I got the Loot Crate exclusive one. Which is the Murloc right there. But he's broken. I'm really sad about that. I will have to call or email the Loot Crate people and see if they'll send me a replacement. They're pretty good about that, so a little disappointed that it's broken. So that kind of sucks. But overall, you know, these are mystery crates. Every crate is different and they're themed, and you're not going to be able to make everybody happy all the time. Like this one, not my favorite, but other ones I really liked. Some items I like more than others. This one's just okay. So, I do like the Mockingjay pin. I do like the magnets, and I would have loved the cute but deadly guy, had it not been broken. But hopefully I can get some kind of replacement or something for it. But otherwise it was, you know, it's value-wise is good. For $20, it's not too bad. So, I still really love Loot Crate. I'm going to put a link in the description if you're interested in subscribing to the Loot Crate. Check them out, and join me later. I'm going to be doing a November Nerd Block, and I have Loot Crate Level Up also, so, join me later for those, and have an awesome night. Bye, guys.